New year, new me, what's up homies? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my first video I'm filming in 2019 and I am so excited. New year, new me. I'm gonna have better content, better thumbnails, better just everything. I'm really gonna try this year. Crossing my fingers it'll be like a big year for my channel. We'll see. So if you guys are excited for this video and you want to see more content from me, click that little red subscribe button down below. I appreciate it. You can join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me / makeup look using all new makeup products. So every single product that I'm using for the most part are all new makeup products, and this is like the first time I'm using them or like one of the first times. So it's going to be interesting. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, without further ado, let's just dive right on into the video. Of course, gotta stay hydrated every single video. Never stop drinking water, kids. Okay, guys, so first we're gonna start with priming, the usual thing. So this is a primer I got in my Ipsy bag. A lot of this stuff is probably gonna be from Ipsy because that's where I get the majority of my new products. So this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, but it is the Radiance version. I really like the regular version, so I'm excited to try it and see if it makes my skin glowy. So I'm not gonna lie, I don't notice a huge difference in my skin. It doesn't look like really dewy. Like I've used glowy primers before and they make your skin look super dewy and glowy. This one doesn't really do that. I guess we'll have to wait till like my whole makeup look is done to kind of see what it looks like. But I mean, my skin's smooth, it just didn't really make it that glowy. Now we have foundation. This is also from Ipsy. It is by the brand Touch in Sol Advanced Real Moisture Foundation. So it looks pretty promising. I hope this is my right shade. I'm not really sure. It says it's natural beige. Don't know if it's gonna be my skin tone, but we're gonna try it. So I have it dotted all around my face, and I'm actually going to use a brush to blend it in. I've been liking using a brush recently. I know it's crazy because I've used a sponge for like so long, but I've been liking a brush, so I'm going to do that. Right off the bat, I'm noticing that this is super easy to blend, which I really like, and I think that's super convenient because it's just a lot faster to do my makeup, especially whenever I'm doing my makeup like for school or something and I don't want to spend a ton of time blending it out. So I really like that. Oh my goodness, I'm like looking at myself in all mirrors and I seriously love this foundation. It literally covered like everything so effortlessly. I didn't even use that much and I didn't have to do like any extra foundation in like my problem areas or anything. I seriously love this. It's like full coverage but like still natural. I am definitely I was going to do concealer, but I honestly don't think I'm going to anymore because this covered up pretty much everything that I wanted it to, so big thumbs up on that foundation. Next, I'm going to be trying out a new powder. So this is by Japonsk. Okay, it's a pixelated color finishing powder. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty fancy. Okay, so thoughts on the powder. I liked it. I mean, nothing too special. It's hard to tell with powder until like later on in the day to see like how long the matteness lasts. But overall, I didn't have to use it that much. It mattified my skin, but like not too much. It's not bad. Thumbs up for the powder. Now we have blush. This is also one that I've had for a little bit, but I feel like I've only used this once or twice and it was a long time ago, so I don't really remember if I liked it and I want to experiment some more with it. So this is a Juice Beauty blush. It's a cream blush in the shade 04 Flush. So I have to use this like different brush that I've like never used before, and we're gonna see how it goes. I feel kind of iffy about the blush. I'm not a huge fan. I had to apply it for a long time to get like any pigment to show up, but it does feel really nice and light on my skin and it looks super natural. So I'll just have to experiment with that some more to figure out if I like it. It's just a little more time consuming than what it normally takes me for my regular blush in the mornings. Now for highlight, I have this DLS Baked Highlighter and I haven't tried this. I got this a couple months ago, and I just haven't tried it because it's like a really bold color, and I don't really like to experiment with like crazy things like this. But I guess we'll see how it goes. It might not even show up red, and I might have just thought that. I don't know, so I guess we'll see. Okay, well, it did show up pink, and I don't like that, so thumbs down for me. I don't like the whole pink situation. I think it just looks weird. I actually like ruined my makeup, and now I'm really upset. I zoomed you guys in a little bit. We're going to move on to the eyes now. I'm just going to prime them. I don't have a new eyeshadow primer or anything, so I'm just going to use my regular Maybelline one. Now I'm going to take my Soft Glam Palette, and we are going to do a look with this. This is the first makeup look I'm doing on my channel with this palette. I've actually only gone to use it like twice now, so it's still very new to me, and I'm so excited to try it. So I'm thinking I want to do like a pinky look, so showing you guys, showing you guys the palette here. Hope you can see that. I think I'm going to use this Dusty Rose in my crease, then this Rose Pink on my lid, probably one of these two in my inner corner, and call it a day. So my eyeshadow is finished. It's definitely a little more bold than what I normally do with the pinks and everything. It turned out brighter than I expected, but it's still pretty natural. I like it. This palette really like moves me out of my comfort zone, I think, a little bit, but I can also stay in my comfort zone and be like natural with the palette. That's what I really love. It's soft glam, just like the title. So anywho, let's go on to mascara. I have this little Benefit They're Real Mascara I got in an Ipsy that I've been testing out. So I'm going to use this today. Overall, I've been liking this mascara the last couple times I've used it. I think it works pretty well. It's not my favorite mascara, but I've been having eye problems. Like, a lot of mascaras have been irritating my eyes, and it's honestly a huge problem. And this mascara does not irritate my eyes, so that is a big plus to this. And to finish off the look for my lips, I'm going to be using this Ulta Beauty Shiny Sheer Lip Gloss that my friend Britton got me. Shout out to you, Britton, if you're watching this video. She is like my #1 fan, just saying. And I'm just going to apply this. She got this for me for Christmas, so I haven't really gotten to experiment much with it yet. I like the brush applicator. It's really nice. So that is just a nice natural lip gloss. I like the way it looks, and it's just good for like a simple look when I don't want to go too crazy on my lips. Spraying my all-nighter makeup setting spray by Urban Decay because we can't forget about that. I did get a new one for Christmas, but I'm still on my last limbs of this one. It has like 2 sprays left in it probably. It's almost empty. So this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you out if you wanted to try out some new makeup products or not and you just wanted to watch this video and be entertained. I hope I entertained you, so give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Click that little red subscribe button down below to see more videos from me. I have a lot of videos coming this year and I upload every single Wednesday, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!